Shout out to Deborah Michaels and Hella Harvey. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for your chance to be mentioned in future videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making another batch of my 00 soap bars, and I'll be scenting this one with Gardenia. Beautiful organic fragrance oil that I sourced from Nature's Flavors from the States. Very nice. And of course the natural vitamin E is in here, and the cedarwood Alice Fix. And like that video I posted on me unmolding the 00 bars, especially the Gardenia ones, and the 00 bars I usually make on these pop-out molds, but I'm kind of moving away from these as much as I love them. And the reason for that is because they take up too much room, and I can only make 24 at a time, so it's just, not efficient for me to continue making it in those molds. So I'll be slabbing it up, cutting them at 3 centimeters instead of 2.5 centimeters, and doing an equal colorless batch split of white Australian clay with a little bit of activated charcoal, and that gives it a nice soft blue-grey colour, which I absolutely love. And into the other portion of it will be the beige Australian clay, which I absolutely love as well. So the coconut oil is melting behind me. This is my oat milk. This is my olive oil with the blended oatmeal. So I'm actually taking out the oatmeal that I've been, last couple of batches I left it in with the ice cubes and I froze it. But when I did it small batch, it seemed okay, but a couple of days ago I tried to do it again, but in this quantity, and it just went like a slurry, like sludge, so I had to throw it out. So as much as I'd love to leave the oatmeal in there to save myself straining it out and stuff, I recommend not doing it, absolutely not doing it. So yeah, I think it's better just to take it out completely, I think. So yeah, that's what's going on here. I'm about to incorporate the lime to the ice cube, so let's get soaping. Alright, so I finished cutting the double oat bars. These are the Gardenia bars. And I just used my new cutter from Aussie Soap Supplies. Very, very nice. Very easy to work with. Nice straight cut as well, all around. Very impressed with the cutter and how these bars turned out. Very nice. And then this will actually light, and as you've seen when I first mixed it, they were a little on the black side, but now they are lighting up into like a soft blue, and that will go even softer over the next few days. So I just really like it's really cool, mixing different clays together, because you can create different shades. And it looks like there's some sort of blue coloring in here, but there's not. That's just the white clay with a dash of activated charcoal, and really, really nice colors. And you see some of them that it looks like there is a partial gel that has gone on. So you can see the top. Now the color will pop more because it's slightly gelled. And you can see just like a soft blue grey color. Really, really nice. Really impressed with how mixing the colors turned out. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I guess I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Happy soaping and be safe.